It is easy to say I believe in God, but what is really too hard to do is to follow the commandments of God. Everyone can say I believe in God, but we need to believe, we need to follow the commandments of God. The people who get more than one God or they believes in multiple gods, it's just a shortcut. I can believe that God and He can save me and He can give me the way out. Even I can do all my life, all the bad things, hurting people, cheating people, lying to people, fornication, drinking alcohol, taking drugs, anything I like I can do, and then this shortcut can bring me to paradise. No, it's not like this. You need to go to paradise, then you need to follow the commandments of God. That's what the Prophet Jesus said. If you want to go to paradise, keep the commandments. So do good always. Be kind with people. Be generous with people. Speak out. Like example, when we saw people were killed in Palestine, we speak our voice that it is wrong. We pray to Allah, help these people. Those who are doing injustice, those who are killing the innocent people in Palestine, now God inflict upon them the punishment. Now they are being punished. That's the system of God. When you do evil, the one day evil will come back to you. Okay, it is not, you think that God is not watching and He will just let you go. No, He's watching, but He's giving you time. Until the time will come, then He will bring back to you the same you inflict upon people. You do evil to people today, this evil will come back to you within your life. And then the next life is different punishment. So you think that you can injustice to people? No, Allah is watching you. He will bring to you what you do, what you incurred upon the people, the injustice, the same injustice will come to you, and you will not be run away from that. Always be good with the people and not to evil to the people. Don't think that people is watching you, then you can be always good and avoid the evil. No. You always think about God consciousness. God is watching me. He is very near to me, even near to my jugular vein, and He's watching me what I'm doing.